What's the meaning of Bretton Woods? Bretton Woods. Bretton Woods.
Bretton Woods. Bretton Woods. Bretton Woods refers to a conference held in 1944 in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, USA, where representatives from 44 Allied countries developed a new international monetary system. The system was based on the US dollar being the only currency linked to gold at a fixed rate, while other currencies were linked to the US dollar. This system helped to stabilize exchange rates and promote international trade and investment. However, the Bretton Woods system collapsed in the early 1970s due to economic pressures and inflation, leading to a shift towards floating exchange rates. Despite its demise, the Bretton Woods system remains an important historical event in the development of international finance.